Welcome to this channel. This is a complete tutorial. Here you will get learn how to deploy Node.js Express web application on Heroku by following its official documentation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. First of all, ensure that you have installed Git and Heroku CLI on your system. I already have installed and set up on my machine. And also ensure that you have installed npm and node on your system. Okay, now create an account on Heroku, sign up, provide your information to create a free account. Okay, now I am going to log in to Heroku using Heroku CLI from terminal or command prompt with this command Heroku Login. Hit enter. Now press any key to open up the browser to login. Hit enter. Now log in to the Heroku CLI using your email address and password that you have used in your Heroku account. Okay. Logged in. Now log in to your Heroku account and browse dashboard.heroku.com/apps. Okay. Now I am going to create an application on Heroku using Heroku CLI from terminal using this command Heroku create -a and then enter the application name. Okay, application created successfully. Now reload. And then click on this application. Now I am going to install Express using npm. On Linux based operating system, use sudo privilege before this command. Okay. And then to creating an Express application, you can install Express generator. Okay. Now create an Express web application using this command. You can create the application anywhere. I am going to create it on desktop. Okay. Here enter the application name. Okay. Here enter the template engine JS. Okay. Now hit enter. Okay. Now navigate to this application by cd and then install the dependencies. Now open this application with any text editor. My case, Visual Studio Code is preferred. Now follow this official documentation. Define a proc file. on application root directory. Okay, and enter this line. Okay, this declares a single process type web and the command needed to run it. The name web is important here. It declares that this process type will be attached to the HTTP routing stack of Heroku and receive web traffic when deployed. Okay. Now declare app dependencies in package.json file. Okay. Now include the engines. I'm going to run this application on Node runtime. Here enter the latest Node version that you are using on your system. Or that you want to use on Heroku. Okay. Here just use the first portion and then .x. Okay. And then install. Okay. Okay. Here app.js is an endpoint. So add this line here, main app.js, and then update this line app.js. Okay. Go to app.js. Now define a variable, name it port. Okay. Now write this code to get port number dynamically for Heroku. Okay. Now scroll down and here add this code. Now pass the port to the listener. Okay. Now save this file and then go to terminal and start your app locally using the Heroku local command, which is installed as part of the Heroku CLI. Okay. Now access this application from a web browser using this URL. Using this URL, localhost clone 5000, hit enter. Okay. Now I am going to deploy this Express web application to Heroku. So click on deploy, scroll down and then initialize a Git repository in a new or existing directory to create a new Git repository. Okay. Copy this and then navigate to this application root directory. Okay. Now set git to remote application. Okay. Now I am going to commit my code to the repository and deploy it to Heroku using git. Okay. At first git add to all files. Now commit with commit description. Okay, now upload this local repository to Heroku using this command git push Heroku master branch. Okay, it may take a while for building, installing, and downloading the necessary packages for this application. Okay, the application deployed to Heroku with this URL. Open this application and you will see the Node Express application deployed to Heroku. Okay, now reload and see the changes. Okay, if you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.